Hello friends, myself Dr. R.D. Chakole, Associate Professor, Government College of Pharmacy, Karad. Here we are discussing the SWOT analysis. Now, what is SWOT analysis? SWOT analysis is a planning tool used to understand strength, weaknesses, opportunities, and strength involved in a project or business, or we can say a strategic planning tool that separates influences on a business future success into internal and external factor. SWOT analysis is mainly divided into two major factors, that is internal factor and external factor. Strength and weaknesses are the internal factors and opportunities and threats are external factor. Now, what are strengths? These are the characteristics of business or a team that give it an advantage over others in the industry. It is positive, tangible and intangible attributes internal to an organization. It is a beneficial aspect of the organization or the capabilities of an organization, which includes human competencies, process compatibilities, financial resources, products and services, customer goodwill and brand loyalties. Some examples of strengths are well-known brand name, lower cost, superior management talent, better marketing skills, good distribution skills, and committed employees. Now, what are weaknesses? These are the characteristics that place the firms at a disadvantage relative to others. It distracts the organization from its ability to attain the core goal and influence its growth. Weaknesses are the factors which do not meet the standards we feel they should meet. However, sometimes weaknesses are controllable. They must be minimized and eliminated. Examples of weaknesses are limited financial resource, limited distribution, higher cost, out-of-date products and out-of-date technologies, weak market image, poor marketing skills, and limited management skills. Now, the external factors, that is opportunities. Opportunities are the chances to make greater profit in the environment. External attractive factors that represents the reason for an organization to exist and develop. Opportunities may arise when an organization can take benefit of conditions in its environment to plan and execute strategies that enable it to become more profitable. Organizations should be careful and recognize the opportunities and grasp them whenever they arise. Opportunities may arise from the market, competition, industry, government, and technology. Some examples of opportunities are rapid market growth, changing customer needs or tastes, new uses of products discovered, sales decline for a substitute products. Next and last external factor is threats. Some external elements in the environment that could cause trouble for the business. External factor beyond an organization's control, which could place the organization's mission or operation at risk. Threats may arise when conditions in external environment jeopardize the reliability and profitability of the organization's business. Examples are entry of foreign competitors, changing customers' needs, taste, rival firms adopts new strategies, increased government regulations, and economic downturn. Similarly, we can find the strength, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats in our success. Try to overcome the threats and weaknesses. Try to gain the opportunities and reach to our goal. Thank you very much.